Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset Seat Leon. It's a 2007 model. This model is a model between 2007 and 2013. We did an oil change and I'm going to show you how you can reset the indicator, the wrench indicator that keeps appearing over here after you turn the ignition on. And I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. Give a look at my channel. We have more than 250 other brand of cars with different service indicator resets and tips and tricks about different model cars. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. This is a Seat Leon 2007 model, as I mentioned before, and I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the service indicator for this car. Okay, let's start by turning the ignition off. Once you turn the ignition off, there is this button over here. You press this button. I'm going to use my right hand so you can look over here what's the indicator for the surface. Press this button, keep pressing that, turn the ignition on to the second position, and as you can see, this indicator, the wrench indicator, appears on the dashboard, and that's the surface indicator. Let go this button and then you have to turn this that way. Once you have done that, so turn it to the left. Once you have done that, the indicator disappears and it won't show up again for indicating the surface. I hope this helped you. Did it help you, and didn't you subscribe yet? Give us a subscription. And any comments, any questions, use the comment area below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay safe. Bye bye.